Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of disabling photo auto-download on WhatsApp for PC with the latest updates. If you're tired of your storage filling up with images you didn't even want, this tutorial will help you regain control. Let's dive in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. You can do this by clicking on the app icon or accessing WhatsApp web through your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats and messages, just like you do on your phone. Next, look for the gear icon located in the bottom left corner of the app. This icon represents the settings menu. Click on it to enter the settings area where you can customize your WhatsApp experience. After you click the gear icon, you'll see several options. Now, go ahead and click on Storage. This section allows you to manage how WhatsApp handles media files, giving you the power to control what gets automatically downloaded to your device. Once you're in the storage settings, you'll notice different media options listed, such as photos, videos, and documents. To disable photo auto-download, simply uncheck the box next to Photos. By doing this, you'll stop WhatsApp from automatically downloading images sent to you, allowing you to choose which photos you want to save manually. And that's it. You've successfully disabled photo auto-download on WhatsApp. Now, any photos sent to you will only download if you specifically decide to do so, helping to keep your storage tidy and organized. To recap, here are the simple steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Then, click on the gear icon for settings, select storage, and finally, uncheck the box next to photos. It's a quick and easy way to manage your media. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips on WhatsApp and other apps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.